is nag-iingat din sila. So meron silang AKA doon. Pag tinignan mo lahat yung pinirmahan niya at walang AKA, hindi siya ang kumuha. Yan. So kailangan merong matter. Kaya ako yung appraisal report ko, meron akong golden seal. Pag golden seal, mas mahal ang singil. Diba? O, okay ka ba dyan, Alister? So, listo ka lang dyan, dahil malapit na tayo matapos. Mamaya magtatanong ako pagka hindi nakasagot. Hindi ko pipirman yung certificate ninyo. Okay. So, title trace back sa bangko as a policy for lending. We normally trace back 3 years. So, kung ang title mo ay trace back mo, last year lang nailipat, babalikan pa namin 3 years. So, kung halimbawa binalikan ko naman at nakaregister ngayon na 2025, tapos binalikan ko 25 years na pala, okay na yon. Pero i-compare ko pa rin kung talagang galing doon. At saka, kung duda ka, pwede mo naman kunin yung abstract of records, yung history ng property kung duda ka. So, kung meron pagdududa, nasa Register of Deeds and Document, nasa BIR, nasa City Assessors, Municipal Office, yung other documents, compare everything, and you will get to the bottom of the exact correct title. Ito po yung how to trace back. Meron po dun sa titulo yung previous title. This is a transfer from Certificate of Title 849. So, balikan mo yung 849 kung nakarehistro. Tapos, nandun din uli sa 849, babalikan mo uli nakalagay 842. So, balikan mo uli 842 para makatrace back ka. To establish the credibility of transfer from one title to the other. Okay? So, that is one way of tracing back. As a matter of policy nga, the banks normally would go for 3 years or at least 10 years ang the latest before it was transferred to the new. Okay. So other documents can be basis is tax declaration and of course payment of tax receipts. Yun po ang mga ebidensya rin. Pero the best is the title. Ito po yung pilot project nung kinonvert na that started in 2012 in pilot projects like in Lapu-Lapu, Toledo City, Danao, and it started also in November 21. Meron din po tayo dito sa Santa Rosa. So ito na, kaibigan natin, kasi lecturer din yun, si Engineer Pastrana, who devoted his time for the conversion of the red title into the E or blue title. Ito na po yung bago, merong hologram at meron tayo barcode doon sa left that will establish the authenticity of this title. Ito po yung mga services na features ng e-title, electronic or blue title. Meron tayong lot location service, pwede kang magpa-print sa LRA ng sa plan based on the technical description. Title transfer alert, kung meron nag-verify na without your permission, that will also give an alert to them. And title traceback, pwede kang mag-traceback or get certification sa mga online. Sa Bangkok PI, meron po doon, pwede kang kumuha ng title, meron silang authorized issuance doon, but you have to pay for a certain fee. At very strict po yung securing of a copy of the title in those ATM. Okay. Now, the second step now of the verification, authentication, you go now to the city municipality and secure the tax declaration, land, and improvement. If there is no improvement and it's vacant, get a certification of no improvement. Sabay mo na rin yung tax payment receipt, tax clearance certificate, and then after that, remember that when you go there and you get this computerized form, kumuha po kayo ng 3 kopya kasi pupunin ng BIR, pupunin ng Register of Deeds. Pag pinaserox mo, malabo. At saka, kailangan, there is always what we call the documentary stamp na you have to pay for that. For that's the land. Ganon din po sa building. Meron documentary stamp tax pay because that will be needed in the transfer of ownership as you process the transition. The seller and buyer meets, go to a notary public, document the sale, notarize the sale, and these are the contracts that will be executed. Of course, under the instruction guidance and notarization of the lawyer. Thereafter, you now go to the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Okay? Pay the capital gains tax, this documentary stamp tax, we don't have to discuss because that's another topic, and that's 6%. Of course, after payment, you go now to the, these are the forms that you have to accomplish. Whether you are the representative or you're the owner or you're the broker, salesperson, sign for it and complete with this. You go now to the Bureau of Internal Revenue, pay, and they will give you, order you to go to the authorized bank where you will pay. Then they will give you the receipts. After paying the bank, you go back to the IR and they will exactly tell you 10 days, 15 days, you will get your CAR. O, medyo happy ka na, midpoint ka na. CAR, ano ba yung CAR? Kaya andyan po, IR lang ang kaibigan ng mga brokers, salesperson, dahil sila nagbibigay ng kotse bago po makita yung komisyon po. What is CAR? Certificate Authorizing Registration. Yun ang CAR. Ito po may seal date, kompleto yan, nandun yung payment lahat. So this will be the form that will be used by the Register of Deeds that taxes have already been paid. And you go now to the Register of Deeds. Okay? But before you go to the Register of Deeds, kung pumunta po na sa city municipality where the property pay, you have to pay the transfer tax. Transfer tax, meron silang schedule for land and building so that after the title is made, then you can prepare the tax declaration under the buyer. Okay? So you, with all the documents, you bring it back again to the Register of Deeds. So they will process, they will tell you exactly. The processing time is 15 to 20 days. That is the mandate. Pero ako, anong sabi sa akin? Sir Ron, how many days would you like your documents to be processed? It's up to you. Sabi ko. But if you can do that in 3 days, 4 days, I will be happy. Yes, we will. Kaibigan ko yan sa mga, kaibigan ko yung Register of Deeds kasi member namin yan sa, I've been a member of the Zonal Valuation for Parañaque, Las Piñas, Makati, Manila, Quezon City. So I know them personally. So indeed, when they saw the documents that were complete, I used to complete a lot, sir. Come back after 3 days. Hinalikan ko, nakalipat na sa mga pangalan ng anak ko. So I was happy. Hindi na ako nakapag-merian na. Iyan ang sinasabi ko, establish your relationship with government people. Do your best, win their confidence, respect, because TRR, you should be trustworthy, you should be respectable, and responsible salesperson and brokers. Always remember that. And when you deal with them fair and square, you will get your highest degree of integrity, the respect that you will be given and awarded. Because respect is truly earned. We have to earn our respect so that respect them and they will also respect. Thereafter, you will now proceed to the Register of Deeds, to the city municipal, prepare, pay the taxes, get your certified true copy again. Pagkatapos nyo pong mag-prepare yung transfer tax sa city municipality, humingi na rin kayo ng tax clearance na lahat po kompleto para extra mile for the buyer. Sabi niya, wow, may certified true copy pa, may original copy pa. Ang galing mo naman. O, Dexter, meron kang susunod. Yung kaibigan ko, bibili, ikaw ang pupunin purchasing broker. Ganda ng services mo. Will that not be as very nice to hear? For as long as you do your work, your services to the highest degree of ethical, moral, professional expertise, then you will get what is due. Then it's now time to go to your buyers and submit all these documents. Yan. Kompleto ka na, title, and then collect your commission. Then happy na. Invite your friends. Then you will have a lot of cash. And when you have cash should be converted into caring and sharing happiness. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Dexter, mag-blow out ka naman. Diba? Saan, sir? Gusto ko sa kape. Saan? Sa Starbucks. Saan Starbucks, sir? Pwede ba sa Hong Kong? Abay, si Lexter nakakomisyon ng 500,000. At pa naman yung Hong Kong? Hong Kong trip, 35,000. Back and forth. May hotel accommodation. May kape pa. O, diba? So, sinaw ang buhay natin, my dear brothers and sisters. As I discuss everything to you from verification, batch of the title, itong advice ko sa inyo. Pagka nag-process na po kayo, huwag kayong pa-selfie-selfie pag nakakita kayo ng kaibigan o selfie tayo. Selfie, picturean nyo po yung chart, yung citizen's chart, yung step 1 up to step 5. Mabilis po yan. Use that as your guide. Apart from what you have learned today, use that as your guide. Follow it. And if you have questions and query, ask the window where you should be asking questions. Verification of title, so sa records officer. Payment, sa teller 1, 2, 3. So, these are the things that I've been using. So, it made my work easy. Work easy if you know what you do. Don't have to memorize. I told you the story. Remember the story of Sir Ron. My last and final words to motivate you is all of you, okay? May bago nagpakita ng beautiful face. Si Evelyn Belen, magka-double talaga yan yung mga millennials. Pagka dalawa-dalawa pangalan, naalala ko yung mga anak ko dalawa-dalawa pangalan, Louie Angela, Michael John, Mark Rodel, yun ang mga pati pamilya nito. So, I'm happy to hear from you and your smiles. I think this is the seminar where whenever pinansin ko yung lahat sila naka-smiling face. Yan ang attitude ng magiging milyonaryo. Start mo na milyon. Billion and trillion. And I look forward to you becoming MVP. Million, billionaires, and trillionaires. My only advice, unsolicited, all of you should have cheeks. C stands for character. You should always be of good moral character. X, that you should always be honest. Honesty is the best policy. It is my policy and I wrote it in my services that I rendered. I say, honesty and humility are the basic foundation of all virtues. Be honest to yourself, to your client, and to all that you serve. And ano na yung I? CHI. Integrity is the kind of respect. Earn your integrity by respecting people, respecting your clients, respect their ideas, as they will also respect what you have sold, you will receive. Kung anong pinakita mo, yan ang ibibigay sa iyo. And letter C, credibility and creativity. Magandang yung mga AI proposal ninyo, huwag kayong mag-solicit naman kayo kay letter G. O kaya si GM, yung good friend. Kilala yung si good friend? Matagal ko ng good friend yan. Si Google, Facebook. Ngayon, meron pa akong bagong girlfriend. Si ChatGPT. Meron pang isa mas maganda. So when you make your proposal, hindi naman yung flowery words. I'm making a proposal for an investment of your lifetime that you can be proud of, that you can bequeath your children. It's a property identified as block number located at Ayala Hills, Ayala Heights, Quezon City, with a value of so creativity, marketing styles, and letter K is knowledge. Don't stop learning. Education stops when your head is at the level of your toe. I don't mean you're dead already, but of course, keep on studying, learning, and letter S, to render the highest degree of ethical, moral, and professional service to all your clients that you will be serving. With that, I rest my case. If you have questions, ask it now, write it. If not, I will be asking questions. If there is none, time is up. I have to adjourn because, of course, mahirap din yung ma-overload kayo. I think you have learned, and I would like to get the climate survey. Those who have learned something, give me thumbs up. Those who have learned and understood, clap their hands. And for those who probably understood and will remember and do it themselves, DIY, yeah, thumbs up and clap your hands. My dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to say goodbye. I would like to thank our Enria Secretariat, the beautiful Eileen, and the other handsome guys there, Paul, for monitoring. Thank you very much. And for our board of directors and officers of the Enria National Real Estate Association, thank you for having me as your lecturer and facilitator. I appreciate and I look forward to you engaging each other with me. God bless, and of course, let's have a happy weekend. You will continue your seminars with the other speakers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Hello. Hello everyone. Thank you very much. And this is my work. I just attend for the
Recording stopped.
as a real estate agent. Thank you very much for coming for this live. Welcome to Filipino TV. Thank you very much to Jasdel 234. Maraming salamat sa iyo at ikaw ay nakabalik na dyan sa iyong lugar sa London. Have a blessed day to you always. And thank you very much for supporting our channel. And to Miss Mary Jane Sipetalo, maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you very much, and I will check your channel later. Miss Mary Jane, sister, thank you very much. And to Miss Riza Gift, thank you. And if you have a channel, I will check your channel later. Thank you very much. I just attended our seminar for the as a real estate. And to Miss Riza Gift, maraming salamat sa iyo sa pagpunta mo. Thank you very much. Please visit our channel and I will visit you. And to Miss Charam, maraming salamat sa iyo, sister. Thank you very much for coming and welcome to Filipino TV. Take care, Juby. Have a good rest of your. Thank you very much, Mr. Del. Have a blessed day to you and to everyone. Maraming salamat sa iyo. At to Miss Chara, maraming salamat sa iyo sa pagbisita mo sa ating channel. Bira ako mag-live. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan maka-greet po tayo dahil sa we have to do something. Kailangan po natin na malaman ng ating mga subscriber, ating mga kaibigan, kung ano po yung ikaw na host nila o kung sino ka, para malaman po ng ating mga kababayan, ang ating mga friends. Welcome. Thank you very much. And I will visit your channel later. I will check your channel. And maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagbisita sa ating channel. Sing ko, hindi. Saan ba yung aking notebook? Hindi ko nadala yung notebook ko. Wait. Ano? Ba ito? Bakit nagkaganito? Ay, naku. Naging parang ano. Yun. Pangit. Bihira ko mag-live kaya hindi ko kabisado. Ang lightings. Ano ba ito? Lightings. Oh, dapat hindi na eh. Kasi ano pa eh. Light off. Tapos, light off. Yan. Hello. Hello to Nafa Yontin. Hi, how are you? How are you? Thank you very much for coming. Thank you, thank you. Risa, thank you, thank you. I will check your channel later. Tuna Fayontin. Hi, how are you? I'm working. I am working for the seminar. Thank you very much. And I'm having a trouble to sign in here in the Zoom workplace. No. Ano to? How sign in here? Work. Ayun. Wala akong ano. Okay. Kung alam mo yung number ko. Thank you very much. The seminar is already finished na. Thank you very much. At ito, maglulubat ako na ho. Thank you very much to Jesdel, Charam, Risa, to Rafayontin, Mary Jane Sipetalo. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sis. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sister. Yan. I say, maglulubat na ito. Mamaya akong gagawa ng sign in. Dapat na I will charge. Mag-charge ako. Yan. Hirap ako mag-judge to. Hindi ka kasya. Yan. Yan, there. Kasya na. Yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at sa pag-support ng ating channel Filipino TV and to my sister channel Filipino Life Story. Thank you very much for coming. At dadalawin ko po kayo. I already si Miss Charam. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you very much. At ano yung mata ko? Na Fayuntin, are you Indian or are you, what is your national? Yeah. I charge my cell phone. I use my cell phone. My plan is today is to share what gadget I'm using for my blog, for our blog. First, of course, the main gadget that I use, the cell phone. First, the Android, and then the second is the Apple. I love Android kasi ano siya, free, ano siya, friendly use. Yan. Gaya nito, Android tong gamit ko. Ito, I use this cellphone. Yan. This is Xiaomi. My brand is Xiaomi, Realme, and Apple. Yan. It's iPhone 14. It's 526 gig. And my favorite is my gimbal. I have 2 gimbal. This is the latest gimbal. And the DJI. Naiwan ko yung DJI. Ang dami. Kaya for now, I'm just, we are busy. Kaya, this Lenten season, we have a plan na sana loobin ng Diyos na matuloy kami dun sa Simbulo. Simbulo is a Catholic church nga lang. Kasi our channel is about Christianity and about us being a Filipino to our country, and of course being a Filipino, about our country, about sa lahat. Kasi ang Filipino TV, ang kanyang niche sana is about government, but I just realized that parang paulit-ulit lamang yung problema sa ating government eh. Parang marami po tayong batas, pero sa dami ng batas, parang yung mga opisyalis din po yung yung mali din po yung ginagawa nila. So, I changed my mind na people ang vlog na lang. Ipaparehas ko na lang sa Filipino life stories. Kasi sa Filipino life stories, our priorities is about small to medium enterprises, yung mga simpleng tao, about our trouble, kung saan po tayo aabutin ng mga trouble natin, doon po tayo nagbabahagi. But sometimes, because of our work, hindi po tayo nakapagbahagi ng kompleto. Pero kasi kahit na government po yung pupunahin po natin, kung paulit-ulit, it's just repeat and repeat. And the violation always, so nakakapagod na rin. But it's a reminder, syempre, hindi po tayo pwede na mali yung nakikita mo sa iyong paligid, and then yung ilalagay mo, maganda. That's not our niche. Kung ano yung reality of life, pwede. Pero wag na lang sobrahan minsan. Kasi because of, minsan nakakababa din ng dignity ng isang Pilipino. Like, dito sa Pangasinan, marami ding squatter, marami ding naghihirap. But, I rather choose to, to secure their privacy. Kahit na sabihin natin na gusto nila na i-feature sila, but sometimes, depende rin yun sa situation nila sa buhay. Dahil sa minsan, aminin po natin na tayo po bilang Pilipino, maawain po din tayo. But sometimes, you have to be careful din dahil sa kung sino po yung mahirap ang buhay, siya yung masyado din sensitive. And mahirap din po for the security reasons. Gusto ko pong ma-interview sila at sabihin nila po yung sa loobin nila, lalo na po sa ating gobyerno. Pero, syempre, kami bilang dati kaming nasa government. We are in government services before, but because of non-stop, let's say, halos lahat kasi we're a contractor in government before, but syempre maraming nagtatanong kung sino si Filipino TV, kung sino si Filipino Life Stories, at ako po yung host sa dalawang channel na yon. Kaya ang aming trabaho dati kami po ay isang government contractor before, but dahil po sa hindi na maganda po yung sistema ng ating gobyerno, at syempre kahit po na maganda po yung layunin mo, malinis, minsan, pag sumali ka sa mga maling sistema, napapasama ka, di po ba? But, being a Christian, syempre, mahirap na pong mapasubo tayo sa maling gawain. Kaya, nung time na may sinuportahan po kami dahil siya po yung napili namin suportahan. Supposedly, dapat po hindi po kami sumusuporta. So, this is my life, our life. Sinasabi ko na po, kung sino si Filipino TV, kung sino si Filipino Life Stories. Filipino Life Stories is our sister channel. It's all about life of a Filipino. Pero napili ko po na i-priority din po yung mga simple na tao. Secondly, syempre yung mga masabi na po natin na hindi po siya yung parang napakasikat na tao, whatever. Kasi marami din po na tumutuliksa sa mga ating mga sinasabi na mga comments nila, lalo na po pag sa simbahan na, ganun. Marami pong mga hypocrite. Kasi instead na respeto po yung ating karapatan na ibahagi. Pero nandun po yung criticisms, yung syempre, lahat po tayo binigyan ng free will. Tama po ba? Mapakatoliko o ano pa man na reliyon. Importante po na naniniwala ka na may Diyos. Yun po yun. Kasi nakalakihan na rin po natin yan. So, nag-decide po ako today na mag-live kasi bihira po mag-live si Filipino TV dahil sa trabaho na rin. And nag-iiba po kami ng ng trabaho. We are trying to enter the world of real estate. Ngayon, mahirap sa mahirap. Wala naman pong madali sa trabaho, but um, gusto po natin ng ating gobyerno sana, lalo na po yung nangyayari for nowadays. The gasoline price here is almost 100 plus diesel, and unleaded mas mura. Kaya mahirap din po yun. Kasi lahat mahal na eh. Kaya minsan yung pagbabahagi po natin, napakahirap kumita dito alam po natin yan, dito sa ating social media. Siguro kung walang gera, walang mga sa Ukraine, may gera pa, tapos ngayon mayroon na naman na even the Facebook, napakahirap na. Imagine, magpo-post ka, point lang, di ba? Kahit dito din, ganun. But actually, it really help, and it's a opportunity to join the YouTube industry because you can share yung mga nasa paligid mo and the reality of life and being kasi magkakaiba po tayo ng personality, of course, pero lahat po tayo magkakapatid. Napakahirap din mag-isip ng niche. Yung mga nandito na bumisita, si Charam, yan, sila Jasdel, yeah, about food, si Charam about her life, her daily lives. Payakap kay Charam, visit Charam channel, and to Jasdel 234 and to Nafa Yontin. Thank you very much for coming. If you have a channel, visit the above the Charam and the engineer vlog. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello, sir, Engineer Vlog. Ano ba to? Thank you very much. Hi po, kababayan. Oh, yan. Good afternoon. I decided to have a live today para ma-meet and greet yung ating mga bagong kaibigan. At pakiyakap po sila, dyan, si Charam, si Nafayonten, at si Jasdel. Yung si Jasdel, 234, he is almost, kasabayan ko po yan dun sa sister channel. Ano ba ito, napindot ko ulit? Nag-iiba yung lightings ko, yan. Paano ako mumu dito? Paano ba ito gawin? Lightings. Relight on. Yan. Minsan gusto ko sa laptop eh. Kaya lang, baka kung ano mapindot ko sa laptop. O yan. Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan. Screencast. Ano to? Effects. Batong effects. Pag nag-live po ako, ang ginagamit ko, Android na phone. Kasi pag itong maglilipat na po ako ng SIM para hindi po ako ma-disturb. Kasi pag nagla-live ako minsan dito, may tumatawag. Kaya yes, gusto may nag-comment, hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung nag-comment. Siyempre gusto ko pong mag-post ng mga but sometimes titignan ko po yung iyong channel kasi minsan para ito meet and greet lang, but it's not so long. At gusto ko pong ano, actually, this Filipino TV is not monetized yet. Yung isang sister channel, yun po yung monetized na. Yung Filipino Life Stories. Bisitahin po natin pagka magla-live din po ako dun. At ito nga po yun. I will check your channel. Minsan, mahirap din po sa hindi po pwede naman na ito, ang puti-puti ng mukha ko tuloy mali. Mali po yung lightings dito. Ano ba ito? Yan. Oh. Bakit pa ganito to? Oh no. Yan. Nag-church to kasi hindi ako makalipat. Ano ba ito? Pasensya na sa lightings kasi I am not mumuna ako. Oh, bakit ganito? Pwede na yan. Puti-puti tuloy. O yun, hindi na. Yan. This is our office. Yan. Kaya, sa totoo lang, mahirap po ang maging tao. Kasi you have to work. Tapos you have to pa. Kaya maraming salamat. Ito, I will check the channel of anong pangalan nito? Mary Jane. Sister. Dali sister Kasi i-check ko pa yung channel mo. Dapat sa gabi Kaya lang naisipan ko ngayon At Mary Jane. Sana Miss Mary Jane, sister, yung link para masundan kita kung ano ang mo because I gusto ko yung mga nasusundan ko syempre. Ito, Mary Jane. Hindi ko mabasa ako yung para walang salamin. Masakit na yung mata ko kanina pa ako kasi. Kanina pa to Mary Jane's. Mary Jane's. Check ko yan. Anyway, nag-screen na ako. Ano ba yung tawag dun? Yan. Mary Jane's. Janice. Ay. Jane. Janice. E. P. Ta. I. Pita. A-I-O. 8665. 8665. Yan. Uy! Friendship na ba kita? Ganda nitong mo, I will, this is you. I know it's you. Wait, you're monetized already. This one? It's Mary Jane. Miss Mary Jane. Maraming salamat sa iyo at maganda iyong niche. It's about my daily routine, cooking, my family, pet, and other. Yes, marami po tayong kaibigan na ganito po yung content po nila. Maganda itong content mo. Yan. Ako kasi gustong-gusto ko sana yung mga ganito din content but I don't have time or kasi yung work po namin, mahirap din po yung aming work kasi we are contracting business. So, nahihirapan po ako na ang dami mo na palang Mary Jane. It's, mahaba na masyado, Mary Jane, Ito. Miss Mary Jane, nakuha na kita. Yan, Virgin. Yung iba nga hindi ko pa nababalikan. Yung mga subscriber na nag-subscribe sa Filipino TV, don't worry. And be happy. I will check all your channel kasi we just avoid sub to sub and we just follow the community standard, of course, para at least dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan lang ang pag-review ng ating mga kaibigan para hindi po tayo ma-violate. Yan. Dapat nga ito eh. 10 hours ago. It's 10 hours ago. Yan. This is it. Ikaw ito eh. Yung itong content mo. Hindi hindi ako magtatagal sa ating live dahil meron pa po tayong gagawin. Ito. Yan. Ito. I love your channel yan. Very interesting. Miss Mary Jane. Mary Jane, napunta ka na ba sa sa sister channel ko? Andali lang. And to Miss Riza, gift, pakiyakap mo si Miss Mary Jane. Ayan o. Yan. Na kayo, dalawa dyan. Tapos si Charam, tingnan nyo. Matagal na rin po nating kaibigan si Charam. Yan. Ating kababayan. And then, Nafayontin and to Engineer Blog. Yan. How can I do super chat? No, this channel, Filipino TV, is not monetized yet. I have a sister channel, it's Filipino Life Stories. It's already monetized, so there's a super chat there. Kasi here, not monetized. It's not monetized yet because I have a lack of watch hour. It's a watch hour daw, but actually, I'm curious because I've already reached the watch hour, but unfortunately, the algorithm doesn't not choice. This channel is not choice. My other sister channel, Filipino Life Stories, yeah. And then, thank you very much for coming, Engineer Blog. And yan, mache-check ko si Mary Jane, si sister, and then si Engineer Blog. Nauna ba si Engineer? Good afternoon. How I can do super chat? The super chat, I will check your channel if you are already monetized. Okay. If it's already monetized, then are you an Indian? What is your nationality? Yan, na ako, subs dan sa'yo kasi maganda ang iyong content. It's about cooking and I love cooking. We love cooking, we love our daily lives na mga yan. Yan, mamaya i-bisitahin po natin. And then si Engineer, si Nafayontin. I think Nafayontin is already a friend. Nafayontin. I think he's already a friend. Nafayontin, yeah. Nafa. I think so, I already subscribed to you. We're already friends. This is your channel. Nafa? Yeah. I have a friend. You are Muslim? What's the Muslim? Alhamdulillah. Yeah. Ano ba yung mga sa pag Muslim? The greetings of the Muslim. Uh, Walaikum salam. And then Alhamdulillah. I have a lots of friends Muslim here in the Gupan city. We have lots of friends, so their religion is Muslim, and where in fact they have a most the church here, a Muslim, and the other I will schedule to have a blog in a Muslim community because they are friends with us. This is your channel there. Nafayonti. Yeah, it's Ramadan. What's this? So what is your country? I, I think I already subscribed to you. Yeah, we are friends already. Yeah, we are friends already. So I haven't visited your channel because of we have a lots of friends and visit our channel. Visit our channel. So I have a lots of friends. Muslim. Most of them are Muslim and they are Christian also, and they are Indian national. They are Portuguese and they are Arab and Filipino and English. And I'm watching your channel now. Santa Lucy Simata. It's a 10 months ago. So, it's so beautiful. Yeah. Mm. I really appreciated the songs and the nature. So Filipino TV and Filipino uh, life stories have friends of the same, but it's almost we have lots of Muslim and Indians and Catholic Christian. Filipino TV is all about it's almost the same. It's a people and blog. So, but I really wanted to show the world what is going on here. We have a government that is have bad issues of a government here, and we are one of the victims of unfair practices acts of procurement. Because if you want to join a bidding, they already have a player. So being a bidder, of course, you will feel bad because you have to believe, right? So, unfortunately, because of I don't want to get involved anymore in the corruption issues and the unfair practices, and I almost complaining, but my complaining is not answered. So you have to live and you have to continue living for good. So I am I'm having a lots of community problems when we comes to government issues. So I think uh, I said to myself and I said to our Lord that I think I have to change our work. So I want to try the real estate world. So I have a meeting just lately. So yes, it's difficult of course because it's a seminar via Zoom and via because I rather choose to have a meeting, seminar, study in an actual of course rather than to watch or via Zoom. So I have to continue. Anyway, it's a 3 day seminar, so I can have a legit to become a real estate salesperson. To have a legitimacy. So I'd rather choose to be as agent only because I have already earned a degree of a bachelor. So uh, before before in a real estate, there's no um, study was being a bachelor. As long as you can sail, as long as you have a degree of a 2 years course only, and so you can have a certificate as a real estate. So now I'm trying my best to be involved in real estate because that's my line. Um, I want to expose and I want to see the reality of being a real estate. Really difficult to sell a land, of course, because there's a lot of paperwork. Thank you very much, Mr. Engineer Black, and already visited your channel, and I will visit as soon as possible. Uh, and I already visit your your long video, and it's very good to watch a beautiful song, even though that you don't understand what is the lyrics, but the tune is a beautiful medley. So it's relatable. I'm visiting the other channel, and then thank you very much. And then na Nafayontin, we are already friend. So visit the other channel like Engineer Blog. Um, Engineer Blog. Engineer Blog page. Good afternoon. How can I do super chat? Ah, yes. Engineer Blog. Engineer Blog. Engineer. Engineer Blog, are you still there? Engineer's Blog. Let's see. Let's see. I will visit your channel. 3288. 3288. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Is this your channel, Engineer's Blog? Are you a Pakistan? Are you an Indian? What is your nationality? Yeah. We are blessed to be your friend. Thank you very much for visiting. Your channel is all about especially for application and tech videos. As our Indian national, okay. Thank you, my friend. We have a Indian national here in the Philippines, and they have a own business here. Some of them are my classmates in high school and in college. And we used to eat biryani rice, biryani foods in Dagupan City and in Lingayen named Habibi Restaurant, Engineer Black. I will visit your channel. Have you done your are you a friend already? Engineer Black, are you a friend already? How can I do super chat? There's no super chat yet here. It's not this channel is not monetized yet. My sister channel is already monetized. Life is Philippine Life Stories. Please visit the other channel, Mr. Nafon Yunten, Jasdel, and Charam. Visit them. They are my long friend. And Reason Gift. Reason Gift, are you still there? You don't have a profile picture. It's better if you have to have a profile picture so for the legitimacy of your channel. And to Miss Mary Jane, we already friend, and I remember you. Thank you very much for coming, Miss Mary Jane. Yan. Si Engineer Vlog will visit you now. Yeah. Okay, you have a mix. What's this? Oh, okay. Your blog is it's not continuously sharing videos. This is a Lava Micromax. It's 9 years ago. It's good, very good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your content is very interesting. This one.
सबसे पहले सुबह 6 बजे उठकर एक गिलास गर्म पानी साथ में रात को भिगोए हुआ 5 बादाम ले सकते हैं। सबसे पहले सुबह 6 बजे उठकर एक गिलास गर्म पानी साथ में रात को भिगोए हुआ 5 बादाम ले सकते हैं। सबसे पहले सुबह 6 बजे उठकर एक गिलास गर्म पानी साथ में रात को भिगोए हुआ 5 बादाम ले सकते हैं। सबसे पहले सुबह 6 बजे उठकर एक गिलास गर्म पानी साथ में रात को भिगोए हुआ 5 बादाम ले सकते
What's
हैं।
this?
सबसे पहले सुबह 6 बजे उठकर एक गिलास गर्म पानी साथ में रात को भिगोए हुआ 5 बादाम ले सकते हैं। सबसे पहले सुबह 6 बजे उठकर एक गिलास गर्म पानी साथ में रात को भिगोए हुआ 5 बादाम ले सकते हैं। सबसे पहले सुबह 6 बजे उठकर एक गिलास गर्म पानी साथ में रात को भिगोए हुआ 5 बादाम ले सकते हैं। सबसे पहले सुबह 6 बजे उठकर एक गिलास गर्म पानी साथ
This message is held for review. What's this? Yun. And the other channel, I will be... oh no, my lighting is not good. What's happening? Ano ba to? Why my lightings are not good? I'm, s- I'm sorry for the lightings of this cell phone. I'm using the Android cell phone and I don't know what to do. What? Oh no. Ito. Ay, bakit ba ganito? Because of the lighting sa ata. No. Yan. Pag ganyan, oh, there. Yan. Thank you very much. Visit our channel too. Ano ba ito? Sino itong Sina Fayontin? You already, ay, na-charge na ata to. It's already 23. So, I've got to, this will be, It's already 4 o'clock and I have bukas ulit or sa iba o yung other channel ko na naman. Dahil sa mali itong color ng ano ko, hindi ko alam kung bakit. The lightings is not good. I don't know. The light on, it's retouch off. Retouch on, ano ba to? What happening to my lightings? Yan. Ay, thank you very much, engineer. At ano ba ito? Saan ba yung ano mo? Ay, this one, oh. Yan. What's this? Yes. Yeah, if your channel is about health wellness or health awareness, you should continuously sharing about health awareness. It's not because the algorithm cannot identify what is you really want to share, because I've already experienced that. Once that I upload, for example, I upload traveling, and then I upload blogging, the algorithm is confused. Nahihilo na. It's already have a headache with us because of mixed blog, and the algorithm doesn't want that. The algorithm wants let's say the consistent uploading the same niche. So that is we are going to follow the consistency. If you are blogging about cooking, so you have to blog the same cooking and cooking and cooking and cooking, and then it's all about food. It's all about cooking. So the algorithm wants a consistent kind of niche. Me is about people and blog. So better to have a people and blog content rather than travel or blog. It's better people and blog, right? So the most important to us is to have a connection to the people, to the fellow people, most especially, syempre, of course, because this is business. The apps we are using is business, and we are living in a digital world already. Modernized na po tayo, so you have to be connect to the people, to your fellow people. So I have to it doesn't matter that if you are visiting the other channel, my advice is if you are visiting to the other channel, you have to be careful not to have a subs to subs or immediately substance or whatever. The most important is you have to review all the channel that is visiting you, and you have to, because it's really difficult to have a organic subscriber. Yun, it's really difficult to have an organic subscriber. So as I've mentioned before, you have to think more wisely. What is my niche? What makes me happy? Something like that. So, if you are happy of what you're doing, if you are happy of what are you sharing, so go for it. But it don't have to be mixed. Like you are um, sharing the video about animals, and then later you are sharing the houses. That's not a good niche. It's a mix. The algorithm cannot identify your object, your subject. So if you are if your dish is about trouble, you have to trouble and trouble a lot. So better you say, it's up to you. What is your love to do? Our channel is about people and blog. The same with my sister channel. It's about people and blog. We love to connect with other people. We love to communicate to other people. So you can have a strong relationship to the field of people that can communicate and can have a good business, like good business, about friendship, about supporting the channel, about helping others that is needy. Yun, that is a good um, communication, to have a helping hand, to share the blessings to other people. And we will pray for the peace and unity and love to other countries. That is our important now, that we have to pray a lot to stop the war, to have a peace and unity for the future of our children and children. And this is for now. Thank you very much for coming, and see you in our next vlog, because my lighting here is not good. It's a bad. Kaya next time I will improve my I will improve my life. Thank you very much, and I will check this. Who is the who is our friend already? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I already have a copy. Thank you very much to Justdel1234. Thank you that you are already home, for coming. And to Miss Mary Jane. Hello, sister. You are already friends. And to Miss Risa Gift. Oh no, I forgot you. I misread you. Okay, last. Because it's already 4 o'clock, and we have a schedule to attend. The gift. Okay, gift. Recent gift. Then R31. I'm praying that we can have a organic friends, organic subscribers, so we can support our community also. The purpose of this, to join the YouTube industry, to of course to develop the friendship and the love and the unity to one another, and so we can have a community that we can help to our government, of course, and to support the government, even though that we have bad issues in government, non-stop issues in our government. Still we have a responsibility as a legit individual, legit residencies to every countries. So, dapat po, hindi po tayo syempre makasarili na kailangan po natin na ganito, ganun. Kailangan din po na tulungan po ang ating gobyerno, ang ating community. Pag may mali, mali. Hindi pwede na mali, good. Hindi po pwede din yun, because you are sinungaling, you are liar. So, para maganda po yung samahan natin, mas okay yun. And then, si Miss Recent Gift, I don't find your channel, please visit our videos so I can check your channel too. Thank you very much for visiting. And to Charab, sister ko, ang ganda-ganda mo. Dahil sa, syempre, alam mo na napapanood din kita at maraming salamat sa iyo at sa aking mga hindi nabibisita, bibisitahin ko po rin kayo dahil sa dami po ng ating mga kaibigan. We have already a subscriber counting for 5K subscriber. Sana tulungan niyo po ang ating channel, magtulungan po yung mga channel po natin and to have a organic subscriber for the good only, for the good valuable content that we can share to other to others, to everyone na alam po natin na maganda po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless everyone. And to our Muslim friend, I don't know the greetings, it's walaikum salam or it's alhamdulillah. And whatever the greetings, my sincerity to have a friend to other country. Thank you very much. To Nafayontin, thank you very much. Please visit our channel too. And your channel content is very good. It's about nature and song. It's a good content. Thank you very much. To Engineer Blog, thank you very much. Please visit our channel, visit our pages, and so I can check your channel too and have a one niche at a time, so the algorithm cannot be confused next time that the algorithm can show your videos. Thank you very much for coming. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at God bless everyone. See you in our next live videos.